Welcome to Daily News in AI Agents, the place to get a quick roundup of the most exciting developments in AI agents every day. Subscribe to our LinkedIn newsletter today in the link below to stay activated. All right, so today we're diving into AI news that CEOs, data scientists, senior tech leaders need to know.
Sounds good.
We've got AI agents making some big waves.
Yeah.
Samsung and LG putting AI in TVs.
Interesting.
And OpenAI CEO Sam Altman dropping some hints about their path to something he calls superintelligence. So imagine a world where your AI can order your groceries, analyze your security cameras, and even help you cook dinner.
Okay.
That's the kind of future we're going to be looking at today.
Yeah, it's really fascinating to see how fast AI is moving, from research labs into our everyday lives. And these AI agents you mentioned, they're not just hype.
Right.
These are sophisticated programs that can reason, act, and remember. Essentially, they're like super-powered digital assistants that can learn and adapt.
I was reading this article on Towards AI about building these AI agent systems.
Okay.
And it really got me thinking about the possibilities.
Yeah.
And then I saw all these videos on YouTube, like 2025 AI Agent Masterclass and others, showing how these agents can even control web browsers.
Right.
That's powerful stuff.
It is.
As a leader, how do you see AI agents changing the game for businesses?
Well, the potential applications are vast. I mean, just imagine an AI agent that manages your entire social media presence.
Okay.
Not just scheduling posts, but actually responding to customer inquiries, analyzing sentiment, and adjusting its strategy based on real-time feedback.
Wow.
It's like having an entire marketing team condensed into an AI.
That's right. And it's not just marketing.
No.
Think about customer service, research and development, even supply chain management.
Sure.
And speaking of seeing AI in action, CES 2025 is showing us that AI is becoming mainstream.
Right.
Samsung and LG are both incorporating AI into their new TV lineups.
Yeah, Samsung's Vision AI is particularly impressive.
Oh, yeah.
Features like click-to-search and live translate sound useful. But what really caught my eye is the food recognition capability. Point your remote at a dish on the screen and your TV pulls up the recipe.
Oh, wow.
That's the kind of integration that consumers are going to expect from all their devices soon.
It's a clear sign that consumer expectations for AI are changing rapidly.
Absolutely.
For our data scientists and business leader listeners, this means you need to be thinking about how AI fits into your product roadmap.
Right.
If Samsung is putting AI in TVs, what does that mean for your industry?
It raises a crucial question. Are you prepared for a world where AI is no longer a novelty, but a core feature consumers demand?
Now let's shift gears and talk about OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT.
Okay.
Their CEO, Sam Altman, has been making headlines.
Yeah.
First, he admitted that their popular ChatGPT Pro plan, the one that costs $200 a month, isn't actually profitable yet.
That caught my attention too, especially since both TechCrunch and Bloomberg reported that it's because user engagement is way higher than they expected.
Yeah.
People are really using this technology, and that speaks volumes about how quickly AI is being adopted.
Exactly, but that's not all Altman had to say. He also talked about OpenAI's path to achieving something he calls superintelligence.
Okay.
Now, this term gets thrown around a lot,
Yeah.
but it essentially means creating AI that surpasses human intelligence in every way. That's a bold claim.
It is.
And it raises some serious questions for all of us.
What's fascinating about this is not just the technological challenge, but the potential implications for businesses and society as a whole.
Right.
How will we interact with superintelligent AI?
Yeah.
How will it change the way we work, make decisions, even how we understand ourselves?
Those are some big questions. And it's clear that OpenAI is playing for keeps in this AI race.
For sure.
Let's move on to an area where we're already seeing tangible results.
Okay.
AI in healthcare.
The Today in AI podcast covered how the UK government is planning to upgrade their NHS app with AI-powered features to tackle those infamous long waiting times.
Yeah.
That's a huge development.
It is.
Imagine the potential for improving access to healthcare and making the system more efficient.
And it's not just the UK. The Financial Times reported on the rise of AI-powered medical note-taking apps.
Interesting.
These apps can assist doctors by automating documentation, freeing them up to focus more on patient care.
It makes you wonder if AI can transform healthcare so dramatically, what other industries are ripe for disruption? And what are the implications for businesses that failed to adapt to this AI-powered future?
A crucial question for all our listeners.
Absolutely.
We're talking about the future of your business, the future of your industry, and potentially the future of how we live and work.
And speaking of the future,
Yeah.
the way we search for information online might be on the verge of a major transformation.
Really?
Sources like MIT Technology Review and several industry experts are predicting that AI could fundamentally change how we search.
This is really intriguing.
It is.
We're talking about moving away from traditional keyword-based searches to a more conversational, context-aware experience.
Exactly.
Imagine interacting with a search engine like you would with a knowledgeable human assistant.
It's a powerful concept.
It is.
Imagine asking a question and getting a nuanced, personalized response that takes into account your previous searches, your location, your interests, everything.
Yeah.
That's the kind of search experience AI is making possible.
This raises a crucial question for all our listeners.
Yeah.
How might this shift in search behavior impact your company's online presence and your strategies for reaching your customers?
Right.
Are you prepared for a world where AI is not just answering our questions, but also shaping how we ask them?
It's a shift that requires us to rethink everything about how we approach online visibility and engagement.
Yeah.
This is no longer just about keywords and SEO.
Right.
It's about understanding the intent behind the search and providing information that is truly relevant and valuable.
That's right, and we're only just scratching the surface of what AI can do.
Absolutely. It seems the AI landscape is shifting towards collaboration, even for companies who were once fierce rivals. The Wall Street Journal reported that Uber and Lyft, after abandoning their own self-driving car projects, are now partnering with autonomous vehicle specialists like Waymo and May Mobility.
That's pretty smart. Why pour resources into building something from scratch when you can tap into the expertise of companies that are already leading the way in AI development? It reminds me of that saying, don't reinvent the wheel.
Right. It's a recognition that focusing on your core competencies and leveraging specialized AI expertise is often the more efficient and effective approach. This partnership model allows companies like Uber and Lyft to integrate cutting-edge AI technology into their services without having to build it all in-house.
This also speaks to the maturity of the AI industry itself. We're seeing companies specializing in specific niches and then partnering to create more comprehensive solutions.
Absolutely, and this trend is only going to accelerate as AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into every facet of our lives.
Now let's talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction.
Okay.
AI-powered replicas of individuals.
A recent study from Google and Stanford University, highlighted by TechSpot, revealed that just a 2-hour conversation with an AI model can generate an incredibly accurate replica of a person's personality.
That's both fascinating and a little unsettling.
Yeah.
Imagine having an AI version of yourself that can interact with others, share your thoughts, and even make decisions based on your personality traits.
Right.
The implications for personalized AI experiences are huge.
Yes.
But it also raises questions about privacy and the potential for misuse.
Indeed, it's a powerful technology that demands careful consideration of its ethical implications. We need to ensure these AI replicas are used responsibly and that individuals have control over their digital identities.
Let's bring Sam Altman back into the conversation.
Okay.
He's been dropping some intriguing hints about OpenAI's future, and not just about superintelligence.
In a Bloomberg interview, he talked about the challenges of leading OpenAI and his belief that they're on the verge of achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short.
Now, AGI is a whole other ballgame.
It is.
We're talking about machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can.
Right.
It's been the ultimate goal of AI research for decades.
Altman's statement suggests that we might be closer to AGI than we realize. He also hinted at changes to OpenAI's structure, potentially moving towards a more for-profit model to fuel their ambitious research.
This raises questions about how they'll balance their original mission of ensuring AGI benefits all of humanity with the need for significant financial resources to achieve that goal. It's going to be interesting to see how this plays out.
Speaking of practical applications, have you seen that new AI-powered robot vacuum cleaner from China?
No.
International Business Times ran an article about it. This thing actually has a robotic arm allowing it to pick up and move objects.
That's wild.
It's a perfect example of how AI is being integrated into everyday devices to make our lives easier. It's not just about cleaning floors anymore. It's about tidying up clutter, too. It seems like AI is finding its way into every corner of our homes.
And this trend extends beyond household chores. We're seeing AI being applied to everything from medical diagnosis to financial trading.
Absolutely.
This brings up an important point for our data scientist listeners.
Okay.
Are you equipped with the skills and knowledge to navigate this rapidly changing AI landscape?
It's a valid question. The demand for AI expertise is skyrocketing. Data scientists who can develop, deploy, and manage AI systems are in high demand. Continuous learning and upskilling are essential for staying ahead in this field.
Let's talk about a major leap forward in AI.
Okay.
Multimodal AI agents.
A YouTube video from AI Agents Unleashed highlighted a research paper that delves into these agents, which can process and respond to not just text, but also images, videos, and audio. Imagine the possibilities of an AI agent that can truly understand the full context of a situation, including visual and auditory cues.
That opens up a whole new world of applications. Think about analyzing security camera footage, providing real-time language translation, or even creating truly immersive virtual reality experiences.
It's a game changer. And it highlights a crucial point made in a Wired article titled, "To interact with the real world, AI will gain physical intelligence." AI is no longer confined to the digital world. It's interacting with the physical world in increasingly sophisticated ways.
This concept of physical intelligence is fascinating.
It is.
It suggests AI is developing the ability to understand and interact with the physical world like never before.
Imagine robots that can navigate complex environments, manipulate objects with dexterity, and collaborate with humans on physical tasks. This has huge implications for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare.
Remember how we talked about OpenAI's ChatGPT Pro plan not being profitable yet?
Yeah.
It seems they're exploring new pricing models.
The Decoder had an article about OpenAI considering usage-based pricing for ChatGPT. Given the high user engagement they've seen, a usage-based model could help them better manage costs and ensure the long-term sustainability of their services.
It's a practical approach, and it might become the norm as AI companies gain a better understanding of how people are actually using these tools. Now let's talk about another tech giant making waves in AI.
Okay.
ByteDance, the company behind TikTok.
They've developed an AI system called INFP that can animate still images, specifically portrait photos, making them appear to speak and react to audio input.
That's mind-blowing.
It is.
Taking an old family photo and bringing it to life with AI.
Right.
It sounds like something out of a movie.
Right.
I can see this having applications in entertainment, virtual reality, and even historical preservation.
Absolutely. And while we're talking about pushing the boundaries of AI, Google has made a breakthrough in AI training techniques.
All right.
The Decoder reported that Google researchers have found a way to train AI models more efficiently and effectively using smaller teacher models. This is a game changer for AI development.
How so?
Training large AI models is incredibly resource intensive.
Yeah.
But this new approach could significantly reduce the time and cost involved making AI more accessible to a wider range of researchers and developers.
This could really democratize access to AI technology, which is exciting.
Yeah.
Now let's turn our attention back to Samsung and their AI-powered innovations.
Okay.
In addition to integrating Microsoft Copilot into their TVs, Samsung has introduced a suite of AI-powered features under their Vision AI brand.
We already talked about click-to-search and live translate, but there's another one that caught my eye, Samsung Food. This feature uses AI to recognize food on your TV screen and then provides recipes to help you recreate those dishes in your own kitchen.
So you're telling me I can watch a cooking show and then my TV will just tell me how to make it?
That's the idea. It's another great example of how AI is enhancing our everyday experiences. Imagine watching a cooking show and instantly being able to access recipes for the dishes being prepared.
That's brilliant. And Samsung isn't stopping there. They're also leveraging AI to enhance home security.
Their new Samsung AI home security feature turns their TVs into smart security hubs. The TV analyzes video feeds from connected cameras and audio from the TV's microphone to provide comprehensive home monitoring.
Imagine a system that can detect unusual sounds and movements, like falls or break-ins, and alert you in real time. That's a powerful way to enhance home safety and give homeowners peace of mind. There have been some notable advancements in AI research that are especially relevant for data scientists.
Researchers from Nvidia, CMU, and the University of Washington have released FlashInfer, a kernel library that significantly improves performance and efficiency for large language model LLM inference and serving.
So this is big news for anyone working with LLMs, which are becoming increasingly popular for tasks like natural language processing and text generation.
It is FlashInfer specifically addresses inefficiencies in LLM inference processes, particularly with attention mechanisms like flash attention and sparse attention. It makes it easier to deploy and utilize LLMs for a wider range of applications.
Hugging Face, a popular platform for sharing and collaborating on AI models, also has something new.
They've released a new library called Smolligence, which simplifies the process of building LLM-powered agents.
This is a valuable tool for developers who want to create AI agents that can perform complex tasks, such as automating workflows or providing personalized recommendations.
What makes small agents particularly useful is that it's designed to be simple and LLM agnostic, which means it can work with a variety of different LLMs.
That kind of flexibility is key in the fast-paced world of AI development. It's important to remember that as AI becomes more powerful, we need to develop it responsibly.
Sam Altman, in his interview with Bloomberg, acknowledged the potential risks of AI and emphasized the importance of responsible AI development.
He specifically highlighted the need to prioritize AI safety and alignment research, ensuring that AI systems are developed and used in a way that benefits humanity. It's a sentiment that's shared by many leaders in the AI community.
It's a shared responsibility among researchers, developers, policymakers, and society as a whole to ensure AI is used ethically and for the betterment of humanity.
The UK's Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, is using AI to address a very real problem:
Okay.
bid rigging in public procurement.
The Financial Times reported that the CMA is testing an AI-powered tool that scrapes data to identify potential cases of bid rigging where companies collude to inflate prices when bidding for government contracts.
So they're using AI to catch companies that are trying to cheat the system.
That's the idea. It's a great example of how AI can be used to promote fairness and transparency in critical sectors.
Well,
By detecting and preventing bid rigging, the CMA can ensure that taxpayer money is spent efficiently and effectively. It's a powerful way to leverage AI for the public good.
a new study by Microsoft and Slack, covered in a Super Data Science YouTube video, found some interesting insights about AI adoption in the workplace.
The study revealed that satisfaction with AI tools varies among professions. Knowledge workers generally embrace AI tools, while scientists and specialized professionals have lower satisfaction levels.
It seems the perceived impact of AI on one's job can influence attitudes towards AI adoption.
It does. Those who see AI as a tool to enhance their work are more likely to be satisfied, while those who fear job displacement or a loss of autonomy might resist.
It's an important insight for leaders who are implementing AI in their organizations.
Absolutely.
Understanding the concerns and perceptions of different employee groups is crucial for successful AI adoption.
Communication training and a focus on how AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace them are essential for mitigating resistance and fostering a positive AI culture in the workplace.
Speaking of key players in the AI space,
Yeah.
Sadie St. Lawrence, in a YouTube video from Super Data Science, believes that Nvidia and Google were the major winners in AI in 2024.
It makes sense. NVIDIA's powerful GPUs, essential for training and running large AI models, have made them a dominant force in AI hardware. And Google, with their vast resources and expertise in AI research, continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, particularly in areas like language models, computer vision, and robotics.
Both companies are playing a significant role in shaping the AI landscape, driving progress and creating new opportunities across industries.
They are.
Let's talk about Waymo, a subsidiary of Alphabet, and their unique approach to developing self-driving AI.
Instead of creating individual AI systems for each vehicle, Waymo is developing a single AI brain that controls their entire fleet of over 100,000 self-driving cars.
That's a bold move.
It is, but it has several advantages, as discussed in a Super Data Science YouTube video. By collecting and analyzing data from all of their vehicles, Waymo's AI brain can learn and improve more rapidly. It also ensures consistency in decision-making across the entire fleet, making their autonomous driving system more safe and reliable.
It's a fascinating example of how AI can be scaled to manage complex systems, creating a more unified approach to autonomous driving. Google's DeepMind researchers have developed GenCast, a machine learning weather prediction model that could outperform traditional systems.
As highlighted in a recent article on AI Hub, GenCast utilizes a diffusion model approach similar to the technology used in AI image generation to produce more accurate and reliable weather forecasts.
Accurate weather prediction is critical for sectors like agriculture, transportation, and disaster preparedness.
It is, and GenCast's innovative approach could lead to more precise forecasts, helping us better prepare for and mitigate the impact of extreme weather events.
A YouTube video by Jordan Harrod explores a question that's on a lot of people's minds. Does talking to AI chatbots like ChatGPT feel safer than talking to human friends?
It's an interesting question. AI chatbots offer a sense of anonymity and non-judgmental interaction. Some people may find it easier to confide in a chatbot knowing that their thoughts and feelings won't be shared or judged.
While these AI chatbots are becoming more sophisticated, it's important to remember they're still machines. They lack the emotional intelligence and understanding that comes with human interaction.
It's crucial to maintain a healthy balance between digital and real-world interactions and be aware of the limitations of AI chatbots when dealing with sensitive or personal matters.
Let's shift our focus to how AI is being used to empower creativity and innovation.
On the Latent Space podcast, Comfy Anonymous, the creator of Comfy UI, discussed the concept of AI engineering for art.
Okay.
Comfy UI is an open-source AI art generation tool that allows users to create complex and customizable images. It's a great example of how AI is not replacing artists, but providing them with new tools and techniques to expand their creative horizons.
The podcast delves into how image generation is moving beyond simple text prompts to more intricate and flexible methods using directed acyclic graphs or DAGs. This allows for greater control and creativity in the AI art generation process.
Right.
Unite. AI published an article highlighting the top 10 AI tools for e-commerce in 2025.
These tools leverage AI to automate tasks, personalize customer experiences, optimize marketing campaigns, and improve overall business efficiency.
From AI-powered chatbots for customer support to AI-driven analytics for understanding customer behavior, these tools are transforming how e-commerce businesses operate.
It's clear that AI is becoming an indispensable part of the e-commerce landscape, helping businesses of all sizes compete more effectively in the digital marketplace.
Another Unite AI article explored the 5 best autonomous robots for construction sites in 2025. These robots are revolutionizing constructions, enhancing safety, efficiency, and precision on projects.
Imagine robots operating heavy machinery, laying bricks with precision, and even inspecting structures for defects.
These advancements in AI-powered robotics are making construction safer, more efficient, and more sustainable.
Absolutely.
Unite. AI also published an article about how AI is being used to tackle the spread of conspiracy theories, which can have harmful consequences.
Right. AI algorithms can analyze patterns in online discussions and identify language commonly associated with conspiracy theories, helping to identify and flag potentially harmful content. This allows social media platforms and researchers to take action to combat misinformation. They can flag content for review, provide counterarguments, or even suspend accounts that repeatedly spread misinformation.
It sounds like they're using AI to fight fire with fire.
In a way, yes, it's about using AI to counter the misuse of AI.
TDK Corporation, a major supplier of batteries for Apple's iPhones, is rolling out new, more powerful batteries to support the rising energy demands of AI features in mobile devices.
It makes sense. As our smartphones become more AI-powered, they need more energy to run complex algorithms and processes.
Right.
TDK's new batteries are designed to meet those demands without sacrificing battery life.
This development is crucial for the continued growth and evolution of AI in mobile technology.
It Is AI Business has an article with insights from industry leaders on the future of quantum AI in 2025.
Now, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize AI.
It does.
It could lead to breakthroughs in areas like drug discovery, materials, science, and financial modeling.
The article highlights that 2025 is expected to be a year of significant progress in quantum AI.
Exciting AI Business also discussed how agentic AI is expected to revolutionize industries in 2025.
Agentic AI, referring to AI systems that can act independently and make decisions based on their understanding of a situation, is poised to enhance autonomy, accountability, and automation across various sectors.
So we're talking about AI that can actually make decisions on its own.
That's right. Imagine AI agents managing complex supply chains, optimizing energy consumption in buildings, or personalizing educational experiences for students. The possibilities are vast and agentic. AI has the potential to transform the way we work and live.
Klarna's CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski shared his thoughts on AI's impact on leadership in a Business Insider article.
While acknowledging AI's capabilities, Siemiatkowski emphasized the importance of human leadership, creativity, and intuition in business.
It's a good reminder that while AI can automate tasks and provide insights, it's not a replacement for human judgment and decision-making.
Right, leaders need to understand both the potential and limitations of AI and strike a balance between automation and human oversight.
AI engineering is another trend to watch.
It is Matt Wolf's YouTube video highlighted some of the best AI tools for learning new things.
I'm always looking for new ways to learn.
These AI-powered tools personalize learning experiences, provide real-time feedback, and make learning more engaging and effective. From language learning apps to coding platforms, these tools are transforming how we acquire knowledge and skills. It's a powerful example of how AI can democratize education and empower people to learn and grow.
Little Coder's YouTube video showcased Gemini Coder, a free AI coding tool powered by Google's Gemini API Gemini Coder, can generate small applications with a single prompt, making it easier for developers to create simple apps without writing extensive code.
That's a pretty cool tool.
It's a valuable tool for both novice and experienced developers, and a great example of how AI is lowering the barriers to entry for coding and empowering more people to create applications.
MIT Technology Review published an article about how AI is poised to revolutionize internet search, potentially ending keyword-based search as we know it.
We touched on this earlier.
We did. AI-powered search engines are becoming increasingly sophisticated, using natural language processing and machine learning to understand the intent behind our queries and provide more personalized and relevant results.
It's a shift that requires businesses, marketers, and content creators to adapt and optimize their content for AI-powered search engines.
Absolutely.
In his Bloomberg interview, Sam Altman reiterated his belief that OpenAI is on a path to achieving superintelligence, a hypothetical type of AI that surpasses human intelligence in every aspect.
Altman believes we may be closer to superintelligence than we think, and stressed the importance of AI safety and alignment research to ensure such advanced AI systems benefit humanity.
An article on Silicon Republic highlighted Digital Edge's $1.6 billion investment in data center infrastructure in the Asia-Pacific region.
That's a significant investment.
It is. This investment is driven by the growing demand for AI and cloud computing in the region. Data centers provide the computing power and storage capacity for training and running large AI models, and Digital Edge's investment reflects the increasing global demand for AI infrastructure.
Right.
An article on dev.to discusses how AI is revolutionizing fire safety.
AI-powered fire and smoke detection software is becoming more accurate and reliable than traditional systems.
How so?
These systems use machine learning and computer vision to analyze real-time data from cameras and sensors, detecting the early signs of a fire more accurately and reducing false alarms. This early detection can be crucial for preventing fires from spreading and minimizing damage.
According to PitchBook data reported by the Financial Times investment in AI startups, developing medical note-taking apps has doubled in the past year, reaching $800 million.
It's a hot area. These apps use AI to automate the process of taking notes during patient consultations, freeing up doctors to focus more on patient care.
Makes sense. AI-powered note-taking can also improve the accuracy and completeness of medical records, which can lead to better patient outcomes.
Both LG and Samsung have announced that their 2025 smart TVs will include access to Microsoft's Copilot AI assistant.
It seems like every device is getting an AI assistant these days.
It's a growing trend. This integration demonstrates the growing trend of incorporating AI assistants into everyday devices. Copilot, accessible through a dedicated AI section on these smart TVs, aims to provide personalized content recommendations and enhance the overall user experience.
In addition to incorporating Microsoft Copilot, Samsung is introducing several other AI-powered features to their 2025 TV lineup.
They're enhancing their Bixby voice assistant, making it more versatile and user-friendly. It can now understand context better and handle multiple actions simultaneously. Samsung is also introducing a new feature called AI Home Security, which transforms their TVs into smart security hubs, analyzing video feeds from connected cameras to detect unusual activity and alert homeowners.
Google has released Gemini 2.0 Flash, a powerful coding AI model, and is making it accessible through Project IDX, their cloud-based AI editor.
This combination of a powerful AI model and a user-friendly interface makes it easier for developers to build complex applications with AI assistance.
I can see that.
Gemini 2.0 Flash can generate code, provide suggestions, and even help with debugging, streamlining the development process.
That sounds like a game changer for developers.
It is a YouTube channel called World of AI, has released several videos highlighting innovative open-source AI projects. One project is Browser Use, a free AI-powered browser automation framework that allows AI agents to interact with web browsers. Imagine an AI agent that can browse the web, gather information, fill out forms, and even complete tasks online on your behalf.
That's impressive. Another open-source project is DeepSeek Artifacts, a free AI coding tool that can generate applications in seconds using a technique called prompt engineering. Carefully crafted prompts guide the AI model to generate specific outputs. This technology has the potential to democratize software development, making it easier for people without coding experience to create their own applications.
That's a powerful concept. VentureBeat explored why context-aware AI agents will enhance our productivity, creativity, and decision-making in 2025. These agents understand and respond to the context of a situation, anticipating needs, automating tasks, providing personalized insights, and helping us learn and grow more effectively. The combination of AI agents, conversational computing, and augmented reality is leading to what VentureBeat calls augmented mentality, where AI seamlessly integrates into our lives, enhancing our capabilities and expanding our horizons.
We're not just talking about AI as a tool, but as an extension of our own minds.
In a way, yes. VentureBeat also highlighted Halliday's new AI smart glasses, offering lens-free augmented reality viewing. These glasses use AI to project images directly onto the wearer's retinas, creating immersive AR experiences without bulky lenses or displays. It's a groundbreaking development that could revolutionize how we interact with information in the world around us.
VentureBeat also featured TimeKettle's new Babel OS, a dedicated operating system for their language translation. Earbuds, powered by Babel OS. These earbuds offer simultaneous interpretation in up to 40 languages, making it easier to communicate across language barriers. Babel OS also offers conversation summaries, noise cancellation, and integration with CRM systems, making it a powerful tool for both personal and professional communication.
Sounds incredibly useful.
It does. Towards AI published 2 articles about advanced prompt engineering techniques for AI developers. Prompt engineering is essential for anyone working with large language models. The articles provided insights into techniques for improving title generation in LLMs and explored how to use reinforcement learning to enhance title generation. These articles are valuable resources for anyone looking to use AI for content creation.
Definitely, Microsoft's President Brad Smith, in an interview with The Stack, made some bold statements about the future of AI hardware. He warned about the potential for Chinese companies to dominate the AI hardware market and criticized Nvidia's pricing strategies. He predicted a shift from traditional GPUs to specialized AI accelerators, suggesting that companies like Microsoft are exploring alternative hardware solutions for AI.
Interesting. ZDNet published an article about a new AI-powered mirror that can track various health metrics, including weight, blood pressure, sleep quality, and even cholesterol levels.
Wow.
This smart mirror uses sensors and AI algorithms to analyze your reflection, provide personalized health insights. This is a fascinating example of how AI is being integrated into everyday objects to empower us with knowledge and improve our health.
Samsung has announced that their AI-powered refrigerators will soon be able to order groceries for you through integration with Instacart.
So now our refrigerators are going to be telling us what to buy.
That's right. Imagine your refrigerator tracking your grocery needs and automatically placing orders for you when you're running low on essentials.
That's both convenient and a little scary.
It is, but it's a sign of how AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. ZDNet also delved into the concept of AI PCs, specialized computers designed to handle the demands of AI tasks such as running large language models or processing complex data sets. These computers often have powerful GPUs, specialized processors, and ample memory to ensure optimal performance for AI workloads.
It seems like AI is driving a whole new wave of hardware innovation.
It is a YouTube video by Olivia Sarikis explores the latest advancements in AI video and AI visual effects.
This is a field that's really pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
It is. AI is creating more realistic and immersive visual experiences, from generating stunning special effects in movies to creating lifelike avatars for virtual reality. It has the potential to transform the entertainment industry and create new forms of artistic expression.
Hon Precision Industry, a key supplier for Apple and Nvidia, reported strong revenue growth driven by sustained demand for AI infrastructure.
Bloomberg reported that Hanhai's server assembly business, which partners with Nvidia, is benefiting from the increasing adoption of AI in various industries. This highlights the economic impact of AI and the growing demand for hardware and infrastructure to support AI development and deployment.
An article on AI Business highlighted advancements in sensors for robotics and wearables.
These sensors, enabled by material engineering and advanced fabrication techniques, were becoming more sensitive, versatile, and capable of real-time interaction. These advancements in sensor technology are crucial for the continued development of AI and its integration into the physical world.
A research paper highlighted by MarkTech introduces the Graph Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or G2PT, for short G2PT, stands out because of this unique approach to learning graph structures. It uses a technique called next token prediction to understand the relationships between elements within a graph. This has implications for everything from social network analysis to drug discovery.
MarkTech also discussed the challenges of reproducing expert-level AI performance, specifically referencing OpenAI's O1 model, which exhibits remarkable reasoning capabilities. Reproducing such models is a monumental task. There are significant hurdles to overcome before we can truly replicate human-level intelligence in machines.
The relationship between AI research and its practical applications is becoming increasingly intertwined.
It is, and we're seeing that play out in real time with new breakthroughs emerging constantly.
It seems like every day brings news of another AI breakthrough. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, but there are still some fascinating developments to discuss, particularly for those of you leading the charge in tech and business.
It's a fast-paced landscape, that's for sure. And what's interesting is that we're seeing AI being applied in increasingly sophisticated ways, not just to automate tasks, but to actually enhance human capabilities. Take, for example, the Inner Thoughts framework being developed by Salesforce, the University of Tokyo UCLA, and Northeastern University.
I'm intrigued. How does this framework aim to enhance human capabilities?
Well, it's a new approach to developing proactive AI, especially in the context of group conversations. Right now, a lot of AI feels either too passive, just waiting for a prompt, or it jumps in at the wrong moments, disrupting the flow of conversation. This framework aims to make AI more nuanced, able to participate naturally without being disruptive or irrelevant.
That's a significant challenge and one that has implications for everything from team collaboration to customer service interactions. If they can crack this, it could be a game changer for how we interact with AI.
Absolutely. And on that note of improving human-AI interaction, there's another project making waves. Dolphin 3.0, it's causing quite a stir in the AI community because of its focus on local-first and steerable AI.
I'm familiar with the term steerable AI, but for our listeners who might not be, could you explain what makes it so significant?
Sure, it's all about giving users more control over their AI. Dolphin 3.0 is built on a combination of powerful language models, Llama 3.1, 3.2, and Qn 2.5. But what sets it apart is that it's designed to work locally on your device. This addresses concerns about data privacy that come with cloud-based AI, giving users more control over their data. Plus, the steerable aspect means you can fine-tune its behavior and alignment to fit your specific needs.
This is a huge development for businesses and individuals who want the power of AI without sacrificing control over their data.
Exactly. And speaking of powerful AI models, Mark Tech Post highlighted the Graph Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or G2PT. It takes a unique approach to learning graph structures, which are essentially maps of relationships between different entities.
I can see where this would be relevant for data scientists, but why should CEOs and business leaders care about this?
Think about understanding customer relationships, supply chains, even the flow of information within your organization. These are all examples of complex systems that can be represented as graphs. G2PT's ability to learn these structures could lead to breakthroughs in everything from predicting customer behavior to optimizing logistics.
It's amazing to see how quickly AI research is translating into tangible applications. But as AI becomes more sophisticated, the challenges of replicating these advancements become more apparent.
Mark Tech Post also discussed the complexities of reproducing expert-level AI performance, specifically referencing OpenAI's O1 model, which exhibits remarkable reasoning capabilities. Replicating such models is no easy feat. It requires navigating a vast action space during training, designing effective reward signals, and scaling both the search and learning processes.
It's a reminder that while AI is advancing rapidly, there's still so much we don't know about how these complex systems learn and make decisions. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, from AI agents that can automate tasks to the potential for superintelligence and the ethical considerations that come with it.
What's clear is that the AI landscape is evolving at an incredible pace, and those who stay ahead of the curve will be the ones who shape the future.
We hope you leave this deep dive feeling not just informed, but also inspired to think critically about how AI is transforming our world and what role you will play in shaping its future.
Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this incredible technology.
And on that note, we'll wrap up this episode of The Deep Dive. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.